Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this dark grunge VHS effect in After Effects. Starting off, always once you're making an effect, go right here to your bottom left of your corner on your timeline, go to new and make a new adjustment layers. Starting off, make sure we have our adjustment layer selected since we're going to add our effects onto this. First effect I'm going to add, it's going to be glow. Oops, I'm zooming right there. Drag and glow. Put a threshold at 63 and increase our radius up to 227 or 227. Close out our menu right here. And then for the next effect, I'm going to add tint. Leave the regular settings right here. Close out our menu. Then for the next effect, I'm going to add exposure. Then I'm head towards the beginning of our clip right here. Go to exposure and create a first keyframe. And I'm going to bring up our exposure all the way up to 3. And it's going to make our clip way much brighter. But to actually get rid of this bright effect, I'm going to hit about a couple frames forward. So right here to our 11th frame on our timeline and bring it down all the way to 0. Highlight both of our keyframes right here and press F9 on our keyboard to ease it. Once after that, I'm going to close out our exposure menu. Then for the next effect I'm going to add, it's going to be noise. Go down all the way over here, drag in noise, turn off use color noise, and add 18 for our amount. So we're going to close off our noise menu right there. And then for the next effect I'm going to add, it's going to be sharpen. Go over here to blur and sharpen, drag and sharpen. Then I'm going to bring up our amount to 31. Close out our menu right here. And then for the next effect, we're going to add signal. And this is where our actual VHS effect is going to come into play. You can see right here how it's starting to give us that dark and grunge VHS effect. So I'm going to go here to emulating VHS and put on VHS SP to VHS underscore LP. I'm going to go here to our signal strength and bring it down from 40 all the way to 19. Go to our cutoff filter right here. It's underneath signal amplification. Then I'm going to increase it from 88 to 1288. Or 1288. Then I'm gonna go over here to luminoise, which should be under cutoff filter. Then I'm gonna increase it from 11 to 14. Once after that, I'm gonna close out our signal menu. Then for the next effect I'm gonna add, it's gonna be the final one, is hue and saturation. I'm gonna bring down our master saturation all the way down to 50. Oh, sorry, negative 50. Close out our menu. Close out our timeline. Save our project so don't lose this effect we just made. And yeah guys, that was how you create this dark and grunge VHS effect for your next music video or edit. I hope you guys learned something new today or you just enjoyed the video. If you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. It helps support me and helps my channel reach other people who want to learn new effects. And yeah, keep on staying creative, keep working hard guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.